Hi guys, welcome back. So we are not here for a book review. We are here for something I did not expect. So I am sitting on my couch just hanging out and my mail comes. I go out there and I'm like, oh, it's probably like one of my book boxes or something. No big deal, like, because we know I have book of the month and Owl Crate. We know I belong to all that stuff. So anyways, I go out there, I pick it up and I look at it and I'm like, oh no. And I look who it's from and it says Willow Winters. Flippin' Willow Winters. And so I'm like, oh no, I gotta open this. So obviously I took out her return address, my return address, and so you have the box itself here. And we're gonna go through it. Willow Winters, guys. Willow flippin' Winters. I'm like, after I was done like hooting and hollering and being all excited and squealing like a little piggy through my house and my dogs are looking at me like I'm mentally insane, I was totally here for this. So let's go through it. First, there is a card at the top, or stickers. We're gonna find out. It says, I never know what are in these envelopes. I don't know. Could be letters. Could be who knows. So let's just open the little black letter or envelope and see what is in it. And it does say not safe for work. So it's telling you don't open this. Don't open this anywhere. Thank goodness my kids are not home. Oh, it's artwork. Okay, guys, it's artwork. Okay, let's look at the artwork. I love artwork. I don't know if I tell you guys, I save all this stuff. I'm sure everybody who gets PR packages, I hope they do. I save all this stuff and I'm going to scrapbook. It sounds so silly. I'm probably going to scrapbook and start a scrapbook with all this stuff because like I said, I'm so appreciative with all this stuff. I will cover up and just say this one is a little more graphic because I don't want to get in trouble by TT. So we're just going to say that one is much more graphic. Yeah, definitely not for work on that one. Love it though. Absolutely flippin' love it. Okay, oh, I love artwork. It always makes me stop. And you know, when you're reading the book and if you have the artwork prior, it just helps you see them in your head a little bit better. At least it does me. Okay, and there's a box. So let's see. I'm like opening this, and normally I have stuff right in front of you guys, so I should probably just go like this. And there's a box. And a little tumbler. And the little tumbler says, Book Lover. That's so cute. You guys are giving me all kinds of stuff to drink my iced coffee out of. Like, I'm going to be like sitting around and be like having 20 cups laying around. My husband's going to be like, you need to quit drinking so much iced coffee. And I'll be like, you know what? It's happening. It is what it is. Okay, so let's go. Oh my goodness. I'm afraid I'm going to make such a mess with these things. But, oh. So you got to be careful pulling stuff out. Always so afraid when I pull stuff out. Make sure I didn't drop anything in there. Sorry. Okay, so there is a bracelet that says Book Lover. And I'm just going to slide that onto my hand right now. And a little bag that it came in. All right. So I have to be careful pulling stuff out. Oh, see, and there's another thing in there. You gotta be really careful. See? A keychain. I love it. I love it. Coffee, wildflowers, and wildflowers, wine, and books. Adorable. I love it. And I do use keychains too. Any PR pack. I use the stuff that's sent to me. I know some people just like set it up like a trophy. I don't. I'm weird. I put it on my keys. I'm different, I guess. I'm built different. Except for my art. Like I said, I put that away somewhere special. That and stickers or in all of that stuff. I stash all of that stuff away. And like I said, I think I'm going to do like a little scrapbook with it. But anyways, back to the point. Okay, so we're to the good stuff. This is the stuff. I didn't show you in the box. The box says something really cute too. It says, this belongs to a book lover. Adorable little box. And here are the best parts. Are we ready, guys? We have Get on Your Knees by M. Robinson's and Willow Winters. And we have Come Here and Kiss Me by M. Robinson and Willow Winters. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited. It's kind of funny because I had not started a physical copy. Anybody who knows me knows I've been reading like a ebook and a physical copy at the same time. And I had picked a physical copy out, but I hadn't started it yet. I know I'm like super thrilled that I hadn't started it yet, because guess what I'm going to start? I'm going to start these. I'm going to read these first. Like, I'm not even going to lie. I'm going to read these. My kids do soccer, so I sit in my car for 2 hours waiting while they're playing soccer and at soccer practice, and I read a lot anyways. We already know that. So I read a ton anyways, but I'm going to totally read these tonight, whether it's soccer. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty these covers are. Look at how nice those covers are. This one's got more of a matte look to it. Look how nice that is. The guy's handsome on the cover too. Shh. That guy's really handsome on the cover. I like this one too. Like the lace and... Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I have to just tell you, I am like over the moon thrilled. Willow Winters. Like, when I saw their name on it, like, we all sign up as a TikToker, as a bookstagrammer, you know, we all sign up for all these really cool stuff, and we're like, oh, I'll sign up, but I probably won't get chosen for a PR package. We don't expect that. So of course I sign up. I'm like, oh, I'm going to sign up for this. This looks good. I'm going to sign up for it. You know, I like these books. I love dark romance. Willow Winters, and she was writing with someone else, M. Robinson, and I'm like, heck yeah, I am totally going to check this out. Going to sign up for it. Did not expect to actually get this in my mail, but I cannot tell you, oh my gosh, how thrilled I am and how excited and how appreciative. Like, I am crazy appreciative. So, like, I'm just crazy appreciative. A lot of people who may not know, I did not even start recording my book reviews where I started talking about reviews until last October. Before that, I just made little videos, like, with recommendations, just little kind of videos. But I never showed my face, never talked, did anything, just kind of like, it was all little made, like, through CapCut and stuff. And I started doing this. And the first person who ever sent me a hard book copy was Tia Fanning. She was the first author to take a chance on me, and of course, you know, I read it. I've read everything that woman has sent me, and always review them. And we know when I review on BookBub, I review on Amazon, I review on Goodreads. If I can even find it on Barnes & Noble, I will go on Barnes & Noble and I review it on Barnes & Noble. So I review everywhere, and then we know I do the social media. I post these videos here and stuff from TikTok over on my Facebook or on Instagram, and then I have the stuff that I post on Instagram. I'm rambling. But anyways, the point is as TikTok people, like, we do this. Like, I started this and I started reviewing because of my love for reading. And I was like, you know, I love to read. This is great. I just want to share my love with people. Like, and I have gotten amazing authors have sent me books. I've gotten lucky and gotten to be on PR package lists. Like this, like Willow Winters, guys. Willow flippin' Winters. And M. Robinson, I mean, come on, guys. Like, really? I'm just over the moon. And I'm so appreciative that I even get a chance to be chosen. And this is crazy. Just, I can't say it. I am crazy. I am happy. Willow flippin' Winters, guys. I mean, that's crazy. Like, that's crazy. But anyways, I digress. I'm going off on tangents and getting lost. I just want to say thank you to Willow Winters. And guys, I will review these. Check these out. Read them. You know I'm going to read them. And I'm going to let you know what I think. And hopefully, if you like them, then you guys will check them out too. Because, man, I'm like, it's Willow Winters. We know it's going to be good.